Hello guys, Nanda here and welcome to James Hunter. You must be curious about what kind of place that we're going to, so let's find out. Okay guys, this morning it's 7 a.m. Me and my friend will go with motorcycle to a hidden gem in Subang. Guys, we'll almost reach the spot that place at Desa Wisata Cibeusi, Kecamatan Ciater, Kabupaten Subang. Follow my excitement, guys! Woo! Fantastic fun! Finally, I have reached the front gates, so let's go! The access to Cibareubeuy Waterfall must pass through Fendrit race field with cobble pathway. And we need at least 1 hour and a half from the parking lot to the destination. We will always be spoiled by the natural beauty of Cibeusi with water splash that clean and clear. Wow, a fun of fresh water shower and it's great to drink. Amazing. Okay everyone, it's been a halfway to Cibareubeuy hidden gems in Cibeusi. Jam Center, follow me. Let's go, fantastic fun. Yay! Finally, I have reached the ticket gate of Cibareubeuy Waterfall. By the way, for your information, the ticket price is 10,000 rupiah at weekday and weekend. And you can sum up another 10,000 rupiah for camping near the waterfall. Cibareubeuy Waterfall is located in Desa Cibeusi, Kecamatan Ciater, Kabupaten Subang. The place become more challenging because of it is isolated. In my opinion, the unique of Cibareubeuy Waterfall is at its zig-zag shape, and its pool that's not too deep, so it is safe for children to come. And for sure guys, your struggle to reach this place will paid off with this beautiful waterfall.
Fantastic for LKS Bahasa Inggris SMK Kabupaten Subang. Magic!